One on? Me too.
What's the time?
11:30.
How's your eye? I don't know. It's almost normal.
Small something is there. At least not red. What is your plan tomorrow? Weekend? Weekend what's planned?
I am going to buy a lehenga in Sharjah. So actually, I had bought it. I had given it to
wedding or
stitch. Yeah, I had given it to stitch. So we're going to Sharjah for it. That's the plan.
Sharjah is a good place to shop.
Yeah, we get all our salwar kameez from there only, suits and everything from
Yeah.
there. So we do have one market in Meena Bazaar also. But I feel they have good variety, but it's cheaper in Sharjah.
I agree.
So we get mostly from there. We have a lot of suits from there.
Where is Sharjah? Rola. Let's go eat and cake. Happy birthday wish करके.
Like in our when we're in India, no. Suppose someone who is in the same vicinity as you cuts cake, you'll always offer to strangers as well, right?
Yeah.
We did that a lot. Like even when you sit in the train or flight, you always offer.
That? Yeah. But here, no, people are going to get scared. Like suppose in that cake, by that cake something happens. People are scared. Cake kuch,
Here,
weird. So that's why people don't offer.
really? Is that so?
Like if something happens, some food poisoning, suppose. Nobody wants to get it blamed. Friends can't blame, right? So that's why people don't offer. They're hesitant to offer. In India, we don't feel like that. We are not scared at all.
What are your plans?
Me, this weekend I don't have any plans. Maybe I want to go for a metro movie. I don't know how is it. Metro in
I'm
life.
not a movie buff, so I'm not sure.
You're not a movie fan at all.
I go like if there's something really nice coming up. For example, there's a big Conjuring here. I want to watch that because we watched all the three series, right? So
You're single or with partner?
I am single. Yeah, but my siblings stay in Sharjah.
Where you stay?
I stay in Barsham. How about you?
I'm married. I'm 12 years old kid. And I stay in Karam.
My gosh, you come all the way from there?
Karam is here.
Huh?
Karam is here.
Sorry. Here, but yeah, I get
Karam
your
is
point.
just 8 minutes, 20 minutes.
That's if
Just
you go
like
this time.
Barsham.
But if when you're coming, I'm sure it's very much busy when you come.
Opposite. Today is okay, Friday. But
The Malayali.
Yeah, Saturday I don't take out my car. Full crowded because Karama is, you've been to Karama, right? Food joint. It's not recorded. So people come for eating food there. So I don't take it. Otherwise you'll get stuck in traffic. What do you do on weekends otherwise?
Saturday is my off. So I have 2 offs in a
Saturday
week.
you work. Tomorrow
I-
you're working.
Yeah. I have 2 offs in a week. I usually schedule it like separate days. I don't schedule it together because I know for sure I'll end up wasting it. So, and when you have it on a separate days, you kind of feel the week is short. So you don't really feel like, oh my god, I have to go for 5 days, 6 days. So I keep it on Tuesday. I was having it Tuesday and Friday. So I used to cook both days, cook laundry, come back, and that's it. But now that I'm having on Sunday, I go out with friends on Sundays. Fridays I'm just cooking, cleaning, meal
Household
prepping.
work.
Yeah, meal prepping. Shower. That's it. But Sunday
Where
usually
you work at?
Alzara Hospital,
You're what as a
physio,
doctor?
physio. Yeah.
My childhood friend is also physio. She's in US. Alzara Hospital.
We used to play in fire. Earlier we used to play in fire alleys, investment park.
Another day.
Yeah, so me and him we used to go there. He was the one who introduced me there. We kind of really liked that room. And
Then now they are not there.
they're still there. The thing is, it's too far from Varsha.
Where
It's an investment park, DIP2.
DIP.
Yeah, investment park. Yeah. So we used to go from Varsha. He used to get his bike. So we used to go like on the bike. But then it's too far. No?
Yeah.
Stop going there. Otherwise, we really like, we used to hang out with those people also. And mostly it's Indian crowd. So for example, you have Anshulam from Tamil. He also speaks Tamil.
Yeah.
You will have this guy who came, no, Stanley.
Yeah.
He also used to come there. So some people from Bombay, some people from Karnataka, some people from Kerala. Yeah. Then you have some 1 or 2 international people as well. So 5 or 6 really international people. Sanjay Dutt used to come to play there.
Who?
Sanjay Dutt, actor Sanjay Dutt.
Sanjay?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Because the owner of the place he's a millionaire. He's a billionaire actually. So his wife owns it. So they have good contacts. Not to say that they have good contacts with
They
half.
stay here only.
And they're from Bombay, so we had good fun playing there, nice crowd. And what happens is when you hang out with them, like घर जैसा माहौल हो जाता है. So it was nice. We used to hang out, we used to go eat and everything. Sometimes when he goes, they'll be like really asking about me. Why he's not coming? Why you're not bringing her? Let's meet. Very nice people.
Because it's far. You're not right. You don't drive.
I don't drive because I didn't have plans to stay here. That was a mistake. I didn't actually. I wanted to go to Australia. Okay? I wanted to go to another country. So I was like, okay, I won't stay here anyway. Okay. Then I was like, okay. After 1 year happened, I was like, okay, अब like ऐसे भी शादी हो जाएगी अगले साल. And then I was like, I was just postponing it every year. Now I'm actually leaving, so I don't really need it. But yeah, it's only after.
No. Huh?
I'm ethnically from Kashmir.
कहाँ से?
Kashmir.
Kashmir. You told me last time.
But I was born and brought up and settled in Chennai.
Kashmir में कहाँ?
Main city, Srinagar.
Srinagar. मस्त है. I've been there.
But they have a very slow living, slow life.
Your parents are there or Chennai?
No, Kashmir. We have moved out of Chennai now. My parents were living in Chennai. 6 months back they moved. They closed everything. We had our business in Chennai. So we wrapped up everything. I said my parents were alone there. All of us are here. There's no point in keeping them in Chennai. All of us are here. Everyone is here.
How
I have
many
4
you have?
siblings and all of us are here. Yeah, 3 of them are here. I'm here. So
Yeah.
there's no point in keeping my parents there because when even if their sugar drops low, we used to get so worried. So there was no point keeping them there. So we kind of grabbed everything and we sent them to Kashmir. They're living there now. We have our house here. And we have everything, all our relatives here.
Better. Because anything needed, at least anything.
Yeah, so they're there. So
For me also like that. I'm Kerala but brought up in Gujarat. So Gujarat में we kind of home now. My papa passed away. So my mom was alone. Sell it everything, come to family. She has sister, brothers to help her. And my sister also here. So we both are here and she is alone. Let it be.
You sent her to Kerala.
Yeah. So alone only, but at least relatives are there, family members are there. Chalega.
So at least you have a look at them and you know,
Yeah, that's
drop in and say hi. So that's enough. Keep an eye on it.
And she travels here. Once in a year we go there. हो जाता है.
You can speak Gujarati.
Yeah, very well.
Your husband is from Kerala.
He is from Kerala, but working in Dubai. Not again.
It was arranged. It's the safest option.
तो क्या plan है?
No, it's arranged only. Like I don't trust my choices. It's okay. Although nobody can stop me if I want to have arranged love
all
marriage,
about
but
adjustment.
huh?
It's all about adjustment.
It's okay. I have a ghatiya choice. Because you know you won't think straight when you're in love, and you will make blunders which later you think hi kya kar diya. So it's okay. I told my parents like you guys when I was ready for it. I told them like I enjoy kiya. I came here. I started working, so I took my own time. I told them okay now. I'm 35.
इसलिए वो maybe they are worried.
Yeah, no, actually, the lehengas I got are for me. I'm getting married. Yeah. So, yeah, it's about time. So, I told them, like, it's okay. You guys go for that. Yeah.
कहाँ से?
My hometown, actually.
वापस जाओगे वहाँ पे?
Hmm?
वापस जा रहे हो?
No. He works here in UAE.
That's what I'm saying. As in?
Mechanical.
कहाँ पे?
Shuttles between Abu Dhabi and Dubai, Jumeirah.
तुम लोग मिलते नहीं?
We met, I think, once or twice. Because he doesn't have time. He travels a lot. Last week he was in Saudi. Next week he'll be in Qatar. He travels a lot. So there's okay, covered mill liya, but that also created a lot of problems.
Are you
Adjustment
okay with
problems.
it?
अरे